Hi, welcome to Customcoat. In this video we're going to show you how to measure and mix our Customcoat 1:1 epoxy art resin. For this project you'll need your Customcoat resin, your calibrated mixing cup and your stirrers, and all these items will be inside your sample kit. If you like this video at the end, why not subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to ring the bell, that way we'll send you notifications every time we add a new video. Okay, for this simple project we are going to make up 100 milliliters of Customcoat Art Resin at a 1:1 ratio by volume. We're going to start by adding the part B up to the 50 milliliter line. Now we're going to add our part A. I'm going to fill it up to 100 milliliters. It's really important you follow these instructions at the start, as if you alter the mixing ratios, there's a chance your project may not happen properly. Okay, that's all done. Now we need to mix the resin. Once again, it's really important that you mix your resin for at least 3 to 4 minutes. Make sure you get your mixing stick around the sides of the container, also the bottom of the container as well, to make sure that both the part A and the part B is equally mixed. You may get some air bubbles forming, but don't worry, we can torch those out later in the project. We'll also show you how to mix our Customcoat resin with pigments. It's really simple, just add your resin into your pigments. In this case we're using 6 of our new range. And again, all you need to do is really mix the resin and the pigment well. You can see that it combines really easy, and also it holds the pigment in suspension, so you know you're going to get an even colour right the way through your project. This is cobalt blue. We love this colour. Okay, so let's mix up the others. We're mixing these up as little sample blocks, which we like to do when we get new pigments in. So we're simply now going to just add the resin and the pigment into the molds. That was our pale pink. And this one is our new sky blue. Next is our cobalt blue. This one is Silvery Pearl. You can already see the air bubbles are starting to form on top of the mould. Customcoat has excellent degassing properties. This is Pale Purple. And finally our new Magic Red. We hope you enjoyed our video, and all our products are available at www.customcoat.co.uk.